Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I'm so glad that you have stopped back by. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope that by the end of the video you will be inspired to hit the subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber and regular viewer, thanks again for stopping back by. Earlier this evening, I participated in a live premiere of my No Spend November challenge introduction video, and let me tell you, that was so much fun. It made that 14-minute video go super quick. I got to chat with some awesome subscribers, and hopefully I inspired the rest of you to go ahead and join me this month. If you have not seen that intro video, I'm going to put the link in the description box below, and I'll pop it up in the upper right hand corner now. It gives you all the details of how the month is going to work. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them on that video, and somebody else might have that same question. As I mentioned in that introduction video, I will have opportunities to earn bonus entries throughout the month of November. Now, to qualify for a bonus entry, you must participate in at least one of the challenges during the month. But in that first video alone, if you use a specific hashtag in your comment, and if you were part of the live premiere chat, you have already earned 4 bonus entries. But I am back with a chance for you to win 2 more. If you will share a little bit about my challenge and giveaway on your YouTube channel, I will give you 2 bonus entries. In your video, I would like you to mention my channel name, talk a little bit about how the challenge is going to work, and maybe share why you want to play along, and then in your video description you will insert the provided links and hashtags that I have in the video description below. To earn the entries, your video must be made public on or before midnight on November 15th, 2018. Again, to get bonus entries, you do have to participate in at least one challenge. After you upload your video with the provided links and hashtags in the description box, you will return to this video, give it a thumbs up or a like, and then leave a comment below with a direct link to your video response. I do know that YouTube will sometimes put comments with links into spam or junk, but I will make sure to go in and check that from time to time and get your comment posted and your video watched. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and for considering making a video response on your channel. I'm excited to get started with the challenges, and I hope to be back on Saturday and Sunday this weekend with challenges 1 and 2. Until then, and like always, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.